Makaih.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to part 9 of the Cobra Rebuild, or whatever we're calling this, Wrecked Cobra Rebuild, part 9, there it is. Welcome back. So, for those of you that have subscribed, awesome, thank you, we appreciate the support. For those of you that haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, it all helps us out. Leave us some comments, tell us how you think we're doing, what we need to do better, what we could do, or what you'd like to see. So we'd like to see all that. In this episode, we are going to, or part, whatever we're calling it, we are going to work on the rear end. So basically, we're going to put some junk in the trunk of this thing. We are going to work on finishing up the 5-link system for the suspension. So once we get that done, we can actually start putting some suspension on it once we get it all cleaned up and painted here in the next couple episodes or whatnot. We're also going to finish the trunk mod for where the drop trunk is to actually be able to put some junk in the trunk. Make this thing a true grocery getter where we can put more than a 6-pack of beer, but that would be good too. So we are going to change some hanger angles or bars or things back here on the back where we're going to change this. We're going to cut this off, re-weld here so that we can change this. This sits inside the trunk and it's really ugly and we like to change it. So if you have a Factory 5 and you want to see how to do this, this is how it's done. It's super easy, super simple. You could probably do it without welding if you wanted to. We're going to weld it, but yeah, so pay attention if you want to see that. We might, in this episode, we might get into building our battery box over here, but we're not sure what we're going to do. So with that, welcome. Please hang out with us, and here we go. All right, guys, we're going to start with gas tank mod on this. So for this, we are cutting this off, which I think was a prop rod. I'm not even sure what this stupid thing's for. Nobody's ever really told me. But we're going to cut this off and we're going to re-weld another one on. So let's get it taken off. Alright guys, so that finishes the tank strap mod for now. There's more to it. We got to shorten the strap itself, but we have to have the gas tank in. So, but that takes this portion of it up, frees it up, cleans it up, makes it pretty. What we're going to do now is we're going to finish welding our trunk, drop trunk redesign that we've done. So let's get to it. so we're gonna work on putting the battery. We're all laughing because Gilly is dancing in the background. We're gonna put the battery over in the driver's side wheel well. So right here. So we're gonna put that here. That's what we're gonna work on now. So Gilly's gonna bend a piece of metal, and it's gonna go basically like that. We're gonna cut this out, and then our battery is gonna slide in across that, or at least that's what we're planning on doing. So here we go.
Perfect fit. Oh shit, we scratched the paint. Oh god. Way down.
Don't
scratch the trailer. Keep going. He just wants the important side, is what he's saying.
No, I just was, we gotta turn it at some point, man.
Whoa. Slow down. Hey, Grant, this one clears.
It clears.
How much did it clear by?
2 inches?
Nice.
Hell yeah.
Greg's like, I want to do my car now.
Nope. I'd have to rewire my entire car.
Look how big the trunk is, Greg.
I know, it's fabulous. Alright.
Are you jelly?
A little bit.
Wow, there's a pretty big trunk.
That light is like really nice.
God, you're gonna kill someone.
Well, I was actually in the front.
Did you get all that?
It's filming. It's still filming.
We'll cut that, make it work.
No, I didn't press the record. You can't.
Because this thing actually kind of comes up
So it even makes it better.
like that.
Greg, look how easy that battery is going to be to take out.
I know. Fabulous.
Dude, look how good it looks without that bar running right through the middle of it.
Right?
Alright. Just
There's
Dad.
nothing we can do.
Dad, stop. It was fine before.
Alright.
You're tripping, though. Maybe you should look.
Whatever.
Is this outro?
Yeah, sure. So, today, Gilly, MVP of the day. Gilly knocked this out of the park. He got our battery where we need to be. We gotta go in and do some final welds, but the battery, look at that, hidden, gone, bye-bye, where it needs to be. So, trunk we're gonna do, so I don't know if we talked about it on camera already, but there's gonna be a false panel to cover where the battery goes here in the trunk. But we definitely put some junk in the trunk of this thing. So we got the bars out, we got that new bar in. Whoa, Ashley's gonna fall down and die while we film this, but that's part of our production, so here we go. For you guys, once again, thank you for being with us for this video. If you haven't subscribed, it's an easy thing. All you gotta do is press the little subscribe button. That's all it takes. I like how that sounds. Anyways, so press the subscribe, press the like. Those of you that have been with us, as of right now, I haven't looked really today, but we're at 210. Rock on. That's awesome. Thanks for helping us out. Support us by buying 520 Speedwork t-shirts. Throw all of this merch around, and we'll love you guys. So appreciate it. We'll see you guys in episode 10. 10. That was 6. This is 10. So awesome, guys. Thank you. Appreciate it. See you later.